In this video, I'll show you how I created an entire movie trailer using only free AI tools, turning a simple idea into a full-fledged live-action trailer. Welcome to Ask AI, and make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. The first step is generating the movie script. To do this, I used ChatGPT, specifically the free GPT 3.5 model. Once on ChatGPT, I input a prompt asking for a descriptive movie trailer idea with details about the scenes, voiceover scripts, and image prompts. You can be as creative as you want here. For my trailer, I decided on a space exploration story about discovering a planet already inhabited by humans for hundreds of years. Once you have your idea, you input it into ChatGPT, and it will generate a complete trailer script with scene descriptions and corresponding voiceover text. This gives you everything you need to move to the next step. With the script ready, the next part involves creating the voiceover. For this, I used 11 Labs, which offers free credits for beginners. First, I selected a voice from the many options available in their drop-down menu. I chose Alfred, a deep and captivating voice perfect for a cinematic trailer. After selecting the voice, I copied each section of the voiceover script from ChatGPT and pasted it into 11 Labs, repeating this step for every scene. Once all the voiceover text was entered, I hit Generate, and 11 Labs created the voiceover files. These files were then downloaded to my computer, providing the audio foundation for the trailer. Next, I focused on creating visuals for the movie. Since I couldn't actually go to space, I used Stable Diffusion, a free AI tool for generating images. I took the scene descriptions from ChatGPT, copied the prompts, and pasted them into Stable Diffusion. For example, the first scene required an image of a spaceship soaring through the darkness of space. I customized the settings in Stable Diffusion, ensuring the style was cinematic and the aspect ratio was 16:9 for widescreen visuals. After hitting Generate, Stable Diffusion provided 4 image options. I chose the one that best fit my vision and downloaded it. I repeated this process for the next scene, customizing the prompt and selecting an image of the spaceship approaching the mysterious planet. These images were downloaded to my computer, completing the visual elements for the first scene. However, static images alone don't make a movie trailer. To bring these images to life, I used a tool called Pika Labs. This tool animates static images, turning them into short video clips. On the Pika Labs website, I joined their beta program and accessed their Discord server. While Discord can seem intimidating, it's straightforward to use. Inside, I navigated to the Creations section and selected a room to begin generating videos. For each image, I uploaded the file and used Pika Labs to create motion effects, making the spaceship soar and the planet appear dynamic. This step transformed static visuals into engaging video clips, making the trailer feel alive. With the visuals and voiceovers ready, the final step was assembling everything into a cohesive trailer. I used a free video editing tool to combine the animated scenes, voiceover audio, and background music for dramatic effect. By syncing the voiceover to the visuals and adding transitions, I created a polished and professional trailer. This method demonstrates how anyone can use free AI tools to create compelling, high-quality video content. The first step in creating this project is to set everything up. After completing the setup, click on the relevant option to proceed. Once you're ready, you'll need to add a prompt and upload your image. Start by uploading the image first. Click on the plus button, select Image, and locate the file you downloaded earlier. Once uploaded, voila! Your image is ready. Next, click on Prompts to add the instructions for your image. Writing prompts for Pika is slightly different from tools like ChatGPT, but trust me, it's not complicated. The prompts have 2 main parts. First, describe what is in the image and the action you want to happen. For example, I used spaceship flying through space with stars twinkling. Simple, right? The second part is where you customize the video output. Specify the resolution, e.g., 4K, 1080p, or 720p. Then, set the accuracy of the video relative to your description, with a scale ranging from 1 to 24. Finally, you can define camera movements like pan left and down and adjust motion intensity on a scale of 1 to 4. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry, I've included a screenshot to guide you, so you can just copy and paste. Once you're satisfied, hit enter, and let Pika generate your video. When the video is ready, preview it to ensure it meets your expectations. For instance, my prompt for a spaceship flying through space turned out great, with realistic movements and a twinkling effect. It's amazing how Pika can transform a static image into a dynamic video. Once satisfied, click the download button on the video preview to save your clip. Keep in mind that Pika only creates 3-second clips, but these are perfect for short segments. For my next image, I used the same prompt structure but changed the description to spaceship flying fast through space approaching planets, along with a camera movement of rotate counterclockwise. The result was impressive. It even generated parts of the planet that weren't in the original image. After downloading this clip, I moved on to the next step. With our video clips ready, it's time to focus on the soundtrack. To generate the music, I used Google Music LM, an AI tool for composing soundtracks. Simply search for it online and click Get Started to log in. Generating music with AI is straightforward. Describe the type of music you want. For example, I asked for intense music for a movie trailer about space exploration gone wrong, starting slow and building up with more drums, ending abruptly. Music generation may require some trial and error. Initially, I wasn't happy with the tracks generated, so I returned to ChatGPT for a better prompt. The revised prompt yielded a track I loved. To download it, click the 3 dots next to the desired track and select Download. If AI-generated music doesn't meet your standards, you can use alternatives like Pixabay for free, copyright-friendly music. Now that we have our script, videos, voiceover, and music, it's time to bring everything together using a video editor. I use DaVinci Resolve, but you can choose any editor you prefer. Start by importing all your media files into the editor. Next, arrange the clips according to the script generated by ChatGPT. For example, my script mentioned a sleek spaceship approaching distant planets, so I located the relevant clips and placed them in the timeline to match the script. Play the video to ensure each clip transitions at the right time. After assembling the visuals, add the soundtrack. Unfortunately, the AI-generated music didn't quite fit the mood of my video, so I downloaded a more suitable track from Pixabay. While AI tools are great, they may not always produce the perfect result, so don't hesitate to explore other resources when needed. With everything in place, my video was finally ready. I previewed the final edit, and it was incredible. The music, visuals, and transitions came together beautifully to tell the story of a thrilling space adventure. The result was a polished trailer that felt professional, even though it was entirely AI-generated. Creating this video taught me 2 important lessons. First, AI is far more capable than many people realize. Some might argue that AI-generated content isn't good enough, but this project proves otherwise. With the right prompts and creativity, AI tools can produce amazing results. Second, this workflow can be a game changer for anyone running a faceless YouTube channel. By leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT, Pika, and Music LM, you can create high-quality content without a big budget or technical expertise. The possibilities are endless, and the quality of your output depends on how much effort and creativity you're willing to invest. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned content creator, AI can help you elevate your projects to new heights. So now that you know the process, it's time to try it yourself. Start by brainstorming a concept, generating scripts and visuals, and experimenting with music. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these tools, the better your results will be. If you've made it this far, you're clearly interested in learning more, and I have plenty of additional tips and tutorials to share. Check out my other videos to keep improving your skills and creating amazing content. Trust me, once you see what AI can do, you'll never look back.